Mm.
Today on A Well-Built Home, Stefan is going to be teaching us about some of the more common types of countertop materials.
Today, I'm going to make countertops seem exciting. One thing about countertops is they're actually used as a gauge for how well a home is built. That's false. You can have really beautiful countertops in a poorly built home, and you can have fairly basic countertops in quite a lovely home. So let's just take a look at what we have here. This is very common, and it's called a laminate countertop. Laminate is applied to plywood or particle board, and it's a very, very versatile material. It comes with many, many different prints. Okay, thanks. It comes in a lot of different prints. You can put a backsplash on it like this. You can put a front wrap on it of any different shape that you like. But the sinks have to be dropped into the countertop and mounted on the top. You can't do an undermount sink like this. These samples are both granite. Granite is a natural product cut from granite stone. The disadvantage to granite is that it needs to be sealed, or it can mold underneath because it's a porous surface. If you want to know if it's granite or not, hold it up to the light and see if there's any imperfections. Because it's a natural product, it will have imperfections. And on the back side, it's generally a rougher surface because the stone has been cut. In our area, this is by far the most common type of countertop, especially in higher end homes, and this is called quartz. It's a manufactured product made up of about 90% quartz, and then the rest is a poly resin bonding agent. The way that you can tell it's quartz is because it's smooth on the back, and it will usually have a very, very fine repeat pattern that you can see inside of it. One of the reasons we like it is because it's maintenance free and it doesn't stain easily. This is a butcher block countertop, and it's usually used as a feature in a kitchen such as an island. If you have a butcher block countertop, you want to make sure it's real wood by looking at the end grain and making sure that the grain runs all the way through and it's solid wood. It looks beautiful, but if you see this in a home, you need to be aware that it requires maintenance to keep it looking good, and it's prone to splitting. This is a product called marble, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. One of the things about marble that you'll have to... Andrea!
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm making a smoothie. There's not like a lot for me
We're filming.
But he thought you might. It'll be fine.
Andrea, you ruined that take.
It's banana raspberry.
Oh. One of the disadvantages to marble is that as beautiful as it is, it scratches like crazy and it stains. But it's beautiful if you're not going to use it too heavily.
So today on Well-Built Home, Stefan walked us through several different types of countertops. Our takeaway for you is don't let the countertops fool you. They're simply a fixture in the home, and you want to know what type that fixture is. They can be easily replaced and do not indicate whether the home is well built or not, because you only get what you pay for if you get what to look for.